The lesson I cherish the most is how important it is to love what you do. If you love what you do and it's making you happy, all the hard work and perseverance will pay off. I once had a guidance counselor tell me that I shouldn't play basketball, that it would never amount to anything for me. His negativity towards me made me stronger.
I ain't here to be just mediocre. I ain't gonna be an average Joe when it's over. Nah, I ain't the type that's ever gonna settle. I ain't taking less than the first place medal. The first one in the gym and last one to leave. I be putting in work cause I got goals to achieve. Watching all the tapes and studying the greats. Learning what I can so I can have what it takes to get to the top spot so I can leave my mark. I'm fearless, ferocious, and boy I got a heart. I might not be the tallest, I might not be the strongest, but you don't wanna go against me in the contest. Ain't a person that can match my work ethic. Black Mamba mindset, I'm never coming second. I know what I want and I work hard to get it. No matter how you feel about me, you know you respect it.
You can't stop people from trying to limit your dreams, but you can stop it from becoming a reality. Your dreams are up to you.
Doubt me, I got the Mamba mentality. Doubt me, I never quit personality. Doubt me, I got the heart of a champion. I'm coming for the title, the ring and medallion. Doubt me, I got the Mamba mentality. Doubt me, I never quit personality. Doubt me, I got the heart of a champion. I'm coming for the title, the ring and medallion. If I have a bad day, I'm making no excuses. Dwelling in the misery is pretty much useless. The pain from an L was a temporary hurt. I win some and lose some, but continue with the work. I pay close attention to my flaws and every weakness. I watch what I do wrong and break down every sequence. Humble myself and analyze my movement. Listen to constructive criticism for improvement. More motivated when you doubt me. So haters, please keep talking, all it does is help me. Fuel to the fire, I'ma take over the game. Go hard in the paint, you better recognize the name. Coming in like Kobe, boy I'm unstoppable. Look into my eyes and you'll see that it's impossible to beat me. I won't quit, I overcome the obstacles. Look at my legacy, you'll see why I'm phenomenal.
I encourage you to always be curious, always seek out things you love, and always work hard once you find it.